This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Juniata County. What an opportunity to own approximately 16.8 net acres homestead. 11 tillable acreage west/south edged of 4.5 acres wooded ridge land. Add in 19th century 1861 built 3-bedroom, brick farmhouse to add your splash of remodeling updates and you will have yourself a rural gem. Accessible, central, Juniata County Farmette set in the middle of farming neighbors. Bring animals of choice. No zoning. New metal roof 7 years ago. Flat 40x30 barn offers a loft and subpanel electric from home. 2-car detached garage has concrete block cracks, as does the barn foundation. Home and outbuildings shaded by huge maple trees. Furnace needs replaced as well as windows. Tenants own all appliances. Taxes are only $1,552.70/year. 2 road frontage views to this property with curb appeal. Call for private tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Juniata County at 717-436-8200.